In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet report. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking to refine your skills, these instructions will guide you through the process of modifying a report to suit your project's needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage, the central place where all your sheets and reports are organized. Once you're there, find the specific report you wish to edit and click it to open. It may seem simple, but ensuring that you're working on the correct report can prevent confusion later on. Once your report is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. This is your main control hub for editing the report, and it's loaded with options to customize what your report presents. A key feature here is managing your source sheets. This involves adding or removing sheets from which your report pulls data. This step is particularly useful if you've completed data collection from certain sheets or if you need new insights from additional ones. Keeping your report relevant and focused is essential for productive analysis and clear communication. Next, it's important to determine which columns will display in your report. This feature helps to avoid overwhelming viewers with unnecessary information. By selecting only the columns that are most pertinent to your goals, you ensure clarity and enhance your report's effectiveness, making it easier for the intended audience to grasp the information they need. Another valuable tool in your editing arsenal is setting the filter criteria. This function allows you to configure specific rules so that only selected rows appear in your report. For example, you might want to display only tasks that have the status of "in progress." This type of precise filtering helps to spotlight the data critical to your current objectives and the interests of your audience, keeping the report clean and focused. To further enhance the organization within your report, you can use the grouping and sorting features. These options help in arranging your data in a clearer manner. You might choose to group similar items for a cohesive appearance or sort them to reflect a specific order. These features give you control over how the information is presented, making it easier to analyze. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to save them. Go to the File menu and click on the Save option to ensure all your edits are recorded. This step, while small, is crucial to preserving the hard work and time you've put into customizing your report. Finally, your report should now reflect all the updates and settings you've applied. Take a moment to review it, ensuring everything appears just as you intended. If anything seems off, simply revisit the toolbar to make any additional adjustments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to edit your Smartsheet reports with ease, enhancing their value and usability for your team or clients. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheet editing!